Hey there, DIY lovers! Ready to bring the magic of love into your home this Valentine's Day? There's nothing better than a cozy, heartwarming space to make those special moments even more memorable. Whether you're planning a romantic evening, a cozy family gathering, or just want to give your space a touch of warmth and love, this video is packed with amazing DIY ideas. Today, I'll show you how to transform your home into a dreamy, love-filled paradise. And the best part is, you don't need a big budget to make it happen. From stunning DIY decorations and creative lighting ideas to budget-friendly romantic table settings and cozy nooks, we'll cover everything you need to make this Valentine's Day extra special. Let's dive in. Y'all know how much I love a good first impression. Before your guests or loved one even step inside, you want them to feel that Valentine's vibe right at the door. It's all about setting the tone for the loving atmosphere you've created inside. And what better way to do that than with a beautiful handcrafted wreath? Today, we're going to make a DIY heart wreath for the door, using some simple supplies you can find at your local craft store. Here's what you'll need: a wire wreath frame, faux roses in your favorite Valentine's Day colors, floral wire, and a pretty ribbon for hanging. Attach the roses with floral wire, fill in gaps with greenery or baby's breath, and add a big ribbon bow at the bottom. Hang your wreath with a strong adhesive hook or a wreath hanger, and get ready to welcome your loved ones with a burst of Valentine's Day cheer. Now let's step inside and give your living room a cozy and romantic makeover. The key to creating a romantic ambiance is soft, dreamy lighting. One of my favorite ways to achieve that warm, inviting glow is with DIY candle jars. Grab some mason jars, wrap them with lace or burlap, and place LED tea lights inside. Scatter them around the room for a touch of magic. Another way to add enchantment is with fairy lights. Drape them around your curtains, hang them along the walls, or weave them around your houseplants. Add festive throw pillows to your sofa or armchairs. Use fabric paint to stencil in heart designs or romantic quotes on plain throw pillow covers. Don't forget about creating a cozy snack station. Set up a dessert bar with heart-shaped cookies, chocolate-covered strawberries, and a bowl of decadent chocolates. Use a tiered tray to display everything beautifully. Whether you're planning a romantic dinner for two or a festive family meal, setting the table is a chance to create a truly special experience. One of my favorite ways to add a personal touch to any table setting is with a DIY table runner. Roll out some craft paper and handwrite love notes or romantic quotes. Add heart-shaped napkins for a whimsical touch. There are tons of great tutorials online for folding napkins into hearts. For the centerpiece, place a few floating candles in a glass bowl filled with water and rose petals. The soft glow creates the most romantic ambiance. Write small love notes or appreciation messages and place them under each plate as a surprise for your loved ones. This small gesture will make your dinner even more unforgettable. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of relaxation and romance, especially on Valentine's Day. Let's start with a quick and easy bed makeover. Swap out your everyday bedding for something more luxurious. Think soft, plush textures and romantic hues like deep reds, blush pinks, or crisp white linens. Scatter rose petals on the bed, fresh or faux, or sprinkle heart-shaped confetti for a playful vibe. Add a few more pillows to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Layer on plush throw pillows in different textures and shades of red, pink, and white. Surprise your loved one with heartfelt love notes. Stick these little reminders of your love on the mirror, the bedside table, or even on their pillow. Create a DIY memory jar filled with sweet messages that your loved one can open throughout the year. Grab a jar and fill it with colorful slips of paper. Write down a favorite memory, a special moment, or a reason why you cherish your relationship. These little tokens of affection will keep the love flowing long after Valentine's Day is over. Valentine's Day is all about pampering yourself and those you love. So why not create a relaxing spa experience right in your own home? Transform your bathroom into a tranquil oasis. Dim the lights, put on some soothing music, and get ready to relax. Fill the tub with warm water and add a handful of rose petals for a touch of luxury. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils: lavender for calming, rose for romance, or citrus for an uplifting scent. Light some aromatherapy candles and place them around the bathtub. The flickering candlelight will create a warm and inviting glow. Create your own DIY spa products. Whip up a batch of luxurious massage oil using coconut oil and your favorite essential oils. For a romantic blend, combine rose, ylang ylang, and sandalwood. Warm the oil in your hands before massaging it into your skin. Make your own invigorating sugar scrub by combining sugar, olive oil, and a bit of vanilla extract. The sugar gently buffs away dead skin cells, while the olive oil leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. Enjoy your DIY spa experience and feel the stress melt away. When it comes to Valentine's Day, the most meaningful gifts come from the heart. One of my all-time favorite DIY gift ideas is a photo frame with memories. It's a beautiful way to showcase a cherished memory. Start with an old wooden frame, give it a fresh coat of paint, and wrap some string lights around the edges. Insert your favorite photo and wrap it with a ribbon. Another DIY gift idea is handmade scented candles. Customize the scent to your loved one's preferences. Melt soy wax, add your favorite essential oils, and pour the melted wax into a heat-safe glass jar. Center a wick in the jar and let it set completely. Decorate the jar with a custom label. Print out labels with a special message, a meaningful quote, or even just a simple Happy Valentine's Day. These handmade gifts show you put thought and effort into them, making them truly special. Enjoy creating these personal touches and making your loved one feel extra special this Valentine's Day. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to transforming your home into a romantic, love-filled paradise for Valentine's Day. From warm lighting to cozy bedroom makeovers, DIY decorations, and budget-friendly table settings, these ideas will make your celebration extra special. Remember, it's all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere where you can relax, connect, and create lasting memories with the ones you love. Don't be afraid to add your own personal touches and let your creativity shine through. Now it's your turn. Which of these ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY inspiration, and share it with someone who would love these tips. Wishing you all a wonderful, love-filled Valentine's Day. See you in the next video.